Hi guys, it's the GM Twins, and today we're back with the most amazing recipes as usual. So stay tuned for more fun, and do not forget to like and subscribe. So our food journey today. It's so amazing because it's about a different country this time, and anybody can make this at home and feel like you're in that country. Yeah, that's why we call this food journey, food journey with the GM Kitchen, the GM Twins, and I'm sure you're gonna love it this time. So never lose hope, fighting. So keep on fighting, and today we're going on a food journey to India. The last time was Korea, but this time we're sharing an Indian recipe, flatbread recipe. I love paratha, and it's so amazing. So it's like a classy recipe, and you're gonna learn it in the most simplest of ways. So while making this recipe, I only use the reachable ingredients around. Yeah, I was ready to buy something. Yeah, to make a lot of paratas, and I saw the ingredient that would normally be used was much, so I said to substitute a lot, and a lot of twist was made as well, but it still came out super delicious, sheep eats and not compromising quality or quantity. It came out perfectly. Instead of a wheat flour, I used the all-purpose flour. It still came out perfectly, still feeling the real taste of the flatbread, and you would love it. Yeah, so this time use what is around you. If you have use your favorite vegetables around you, things you have, but yeah, potato is needed for this. Yeah, if you have that around, then lucky you, I had that around, so I just used what I had and it came out great, perfect. Seriously, when I tasted it, I decided to eat a full one without sharing with nobody. I gave the rest. It was 5, so I took one and shared the rest. So, but you're gonna love this. Yeah, with limited ingredients, you still get the best. Yeah, with aloo paratas, you could never go wrong. No. It was wonderful, wonder and delicious coming together, wonderful. So that's what it means. So that's what we do in the GM Kitchen. Yay. So simple steps to make the best homemade flatbread with limited ingredients, but still perfect. And this was for the first time as well. Yeah, so making this kind of recipe perfectly for the first time, and it came out well. So the first step, as usual, is to wash your hands. Yeah, wash your hands. This is very, very important. So the second step is to mash the cooked potatoes. So you cook 3 medium potatoes and mash it. Yeah, so that's the potato. I cooked it and mashed it. So I used the vegetables around. I used a handful of vegetables and 2 handful of onions and 3 large carrots. Yeah, finely chopped. Yeah, cut it in in tiny sizes. Yeah, so the third step, match the potato and the vegetables together. So match it all together. Yeah, and set the mashed mixture aside. Yeah, set that aside. So the next step is to pour out 2 cups of flour in a bowl, add a pinch of salt and sieve it. So yeah, add 2 spoonfuls of melted butter firstly before you do anything. So that's the flour. Add that. The salt, a pinch of salt, that's all, and sieve it in. So yeah, 2 spoonfuls of melted butter. Yeah, there it goes. So you mix that together with your hands. Yeah, it kind of look like it's like crumbling, but that's the first step. Yeah, that's the basic first. And you could also use granite oil for this as well. Yeah, so the next step, add 5 tablespoons of water at first. Yeah, and mix together. When making doughs like this, I kind of use 5 tablespoons of water. Yes, and after that add water little by little, so like 15 to 20 spoonful of water, but pour it in gradually. Like you're not just gonna put the 15 to, just as you put in the spoonful of water, keep on pressing it. It might look like it's not possible, but this is so possible with this kind of dough. Just add the water in slowly and then use your hand, that everything will come together. And if you can do this in a bowl, you can take it to a flat surface to do that as well. You can see that it was not coming together at the beginning, but the water I used was between 15 spoonful to 20 spoonful of water. Yeah, just spoonful. Yeah, for easy calculations. Yeah, slowly just bring it together. Yeah, and if you ended up using too much water, don't worry about that. Then just add flour, sprinkle flour until it like comes together and it's firm. Yeah. So knead thoroughly for 10 minutes. Yeah, yours, if you're good at kneading, yours could be 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Knead thoroughly. Just have to you have to press your hands firmly on it. Like for it to come together, you must press your hands firmly on it. Firmly. Yeah, I said to take it to a flat surface for easy kneading. Yeah, as I told you before, for easy kneading, I decided to do this. So knead it till it becomes smooth, shiny, and like stretchy. Yeah, this takes between 5 to 10 minutes. So wrap the dough in a plastic bag and put aside in the bowl for 30 minutes. It does make a difference. Like it does make a big difference. So please do this. Just put it in a bowl covered with a plastic wrap. So after 30 minutes, divide the dough into 4 or 5 equal parts. Yeah, 4 or 5. Then roll into a chapati. Basically, when you roll it out, something round, it basically forms like a chapati. Yeah, it comes out easily. So it's like a round shape when you roll it with a rolling pin. There we go. So next step, add 1 tablespoon of the mashed mixture into the rolled chapati. Yeah, you added just 1 tablespoon and roll gently to prevent the mixture from spilling out. It's not supposed to spill out. That's why you have to cover the mouth firmly, like I'm doing right now. And yeah, in this mixture, I added red grounded pepper. Yeah. Chili pepper, red chili pepper. Yeah, so just add the seasoning you have around at home. Yeah, for that. Yeah, but just basically what you have around, just to make this perfect recipe. So roll it gently. Do not let it spill out. Yeah, a little like that might come out, but be careful, not more than that, because the flavor comes out more. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you're loving this. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys. So the next step, use 1 spoonful of melted butter to roast each side of the flat bread on a medium heat. So each side will roast for about 1 to 2 minutes until it has spot of golden color. Yeah, spot. So that's the oil. Then the chapati. Yeah, it's in the fire just 1-2 minutes. And as usual, we did it. Surprise, we did it. We are beautiful. And so time for food photography, pictures, everything. So like, check out the beautiful pictures and videos gotten from this video. Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so foolproof because it has everything. So make sure you go color oriented. Put your favorite colors in this. Yeah, and do not make it burn. It has to look like this. Yeah. So this is the beauty of a little paratus. This flatbread. This is the beauty of it. And when I tasted it, oh my goodness, it was so good. I had to eat one. I was like, no, I can't eat half this time. I have to have at least one of this. Yeah, I have to enjoy this. You will really, I'm telling you, promising that you really enjoy this. So try it at home, though it takes time. Yeah, it's 1 hour, but do not worry, just try it. You would not regret this. And if you want double of this, just double the ingredients. Yeah, and do your calculations. So when you eat that, it's like you're eating both. Like everything just comes into your mouth. The flavor, everything. Just oh my goodness. So just put the seasonings you have around, but just like when I added chili peppers, I said to add a spoonful of chili peppers. Yeah, for more spice. But if you love more peppers, then you can add like 1 spoonful chili pepper. Yeah, but do not make it too peppery if you're not good with spicy foods. Yeah, so look at that. Oh my goodness. I tried it this way for the first time and it came out like perfect. Yeah, for the first time, and I'm really happy I was able to do this and share this recipe with you guys. So try it. So in your first try too, you could also make this wonderful flatbread aloe paratha, and you would love it as well. Yeah, and enjoy with yogurt. Yeah, you can enjoy with yogurt or a side dish. Yeah. Feels tasty. So make this comment below, tell me how it went. Yeah, and don't forget to share with your family and those around you. So we do recreation of recipes. That what we do to bring out the best in a simple, cheap way, but still not compromising the quality and quantity like we did today in the GM kitchen. So I hope you all guys enjoyed this videos and tune in for more as usual. Yummy. So enjoy this delicious recipe with your family. Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Yeah, for more. It's the GM Twins. Yay! So have an every day, guys, a day full of hope, and make something special as well. We love you guys. Have a nice day, guys.